Na kũrũmĩrĩra gĩkuũ kĩa mũmbunge wa Emurua Dikir niwe Johana Ng'eno kĩrĩa kĩaumanire na mũtino wa ndege mweri mũhetũku. Rĩu kĩhĩtahĩtano nĩ kĩambĩkĩtwo gĩa gwetha mũhũranĩri wa gĩturwa kĩu kũhetũkĩra tigiti wa UDA. Kĩhĩtahĩtano gĩkĩ David Keter nĩ ahotete ahũranĩri angĩ mũgwanja na rĩu nĩwe ũkarirũkia bendera ya kĩama kĩa UDA tarĩki 14 mweri ũkĩte harĩ gwetherana gĩturwa kĩa ũbunge kĩa mwena ũcio. David Keter aragĩire na kura 13,000 na 749. Mũhũrani wa hakuhĩ Bernard Ng'eno akĩmũrũmĩrĩra na kura 13,394.
I also want to thank the people of Emurua Dikir for their peaceful campaign. I want also to thank the people of Emurua Dikir for nominating me as a UDA nominee. I also want to thank the UDA party for conducting this by-election in a free, fair and credible way.
My friend here, Honorable Tolala Keter, I was contesting with him. But congratulations, my friend.
Thank you so much.
You won.
Thank you
I will try next time. Thank you so much.
Let me also say that this competition will actually mark the beginning of our democratic practices in this country. It will bring us together. The people of Emurua Dikir will be one for once. And as we go forward, we are saying we are grateful for the peaceful election.